So here we are at the Wetumpka Dairy Queen.
You guys are big, and you have your own children.
End of our trip. All right, Bobby. What happened to your ice cream when we came to the Wetumpka Dairy Queen?
I put my spoon was in there and I thought it was a straw, so I put my mouth on it like, and nothing came out like, and then I pulled it up and I saw a spoon.
Nina, what was your favorite part of the trip?
We're eating. My favorite part is when we went swimming.
Let's see. Marty, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when we were crossing the state line into Oklahoma, and we were singing at the top of our lungs the Oklahoma song.
Emmy, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Walking on the danger hike.
On the danger hike? Pablo, what was your favorite part?
I don't know.
What?
We're doing it right now.
Oh, okay.
Pablo has ice cream on his nose.
Nina, what was your second favorite part?
Eating the ice cream.
Marty, what was your second favorite part?
My second was having breakfast by the fireplace.
Emmy, what was your second favorite part?
Actually, sitting on the. They actually had a free favorite part. Sitting on the thing that, like, you remember that wall we went to yesterday? Sitting on that high hill.
Oh, the high cliff.
Okay. Wait a second. Nina, you have a third favorite part?
Yeah. No, it's my turn.
You're sitting next.
I like my part when me and Mommy went out for breakfast.
Bobby, what was your second
I have
favorite
a
part?
third.
You want me to come back to you?